I am in beautiful Cozumel. You see Chloe in the background. She's ready to go. We don't dock until 10, which I think we're here now. We just kind of docked. Anyways, so we're here in Cozumel. I'm excited, although I've been here a million times. It's okay. I love Cozumel. A few things about Jamaica and Cancun if you haven't watched my previous videos, or if you, I don't know how I'm going to organize these videos. It could all be in one video, I'm not sure. But just letting you know, as far as the taxi cab situations in Jamaica and Cayman Islands. Did I say Cancun? I meant Cayman Islands. Jamaica's taxis are expensive. They try to get you. I'm not gonna lie. If you don't buy an excursion through Carnival and you just go out there and try to catch a cab, it's fine, but they're gonna charge you. Like, normally it was like $60 for 3 people, mind you, 2 adults and a baby. That was $60. That was round trip, but still, that's a lot of money. But we did talk them down to 40. You gotta talk them down. But anyway, Cayman Islands was, they were a little bit of a, they're trying to make money. So we had a cab, and then the lady ditched us for a larger group because she was trying to make that money. But rude, if that's the case, like, let us know. She just walked off. We didn't even know. We're like, we could have went and got a different cab, but whatever. But the thing about their cab is they're cheap. So we paid $12 there and back. So it was like $24 round trip. So that's not too bad. That was for 3 people, 2 adults and a baby. So yeah, but Cayman Islands was beautiful. I hope you guys got to see it. I don't know how much I took of it, but yeah, Cayman Islands is very underrated. I love it. The water is gorgeous. I love the tender. People don't like the tender, but I like it because you get to go on the ocean and you get to see the water as you're going, and it's a relaxing little ride, really short, anyways. But yeah, yeah. So Cayman Islands was beautiful. I loved it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Subscribe to your girl Toy. I'm here. I'm out here in these Caribbean waters. But yeah, I'm here in Mexico, and I'm excited. And I don't know what we're going to do. I'm not for sure if we're going to go to a beach or what. We'll see, because I don't have an excursion planned for today. I am going to get into showing you guys the family harbor. If you haven't watched the video on my room tour, make sure you guys take a look at that, because yeah, probably have that posted by now. And what else today? I'll show you the family harbor lounge. I am on deck 2, so, and this is on Carnival Horizon. So anyway, we're gonna get into the day, and I'll see you all in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm going to start out this little mini tour here in the Family Harbor Lounge on deck 2. And yeah, so if you have a Family Harbor room, you will have access to this Family Harbor Lounge. So I do have a more in-depth video on this on my channel, which I do the room tour and give you more details on the whole Family Harbor situation. But yeah, so take a look at that so you can get more in detail on this whole Family Harbor experience. Hey guys, so this is the controversial elevator system here on Carnival Horizon, and I didn't really have any issues with it. Basically, what you do is you press the floor that you would like to go on. It gives you a letter, and then the letter will be over the elevator that you are to enter. So that's really how it worked. Like if you press that button, it'll give you a letter, and then you enter into that elevator. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But
everybody had issues with it. I don't know.
So I'm over here by the elevators, and I kind of like them. I like the elevators. I like the system. A lot of people have issues with it, but I think it's pretty cool. It's a very effective system, I think. But a lot of people, I think, don't really get it. But if I haven't had any problems, I haven't seen anyone have any problems here on the ship. So yeah, I think the other cruise ships should get this elevator style because it definitely does work. So, but that's just my opinion. I like it. Here we're entering the promenade, and this is where the Limelight Lounge is. Up ahead is the casino. They have some art, beautiful art here. They also have some seating if you wanted to sit. Let me tell you, the line lines up really long for the comedy show. So you better get here early. Have some more art here. I do like the decor. I like the lighting here. You guys looking at the lighting. This is the Skybox Sports Bar here. Again, this is deck 4. I'm on deck 4. This is the Skybox Sports Bar. It has been packed here. Because on my cruise, we started out on Sunday, so it was Sunday night football. And then literally the next day we had Monday night football. And coming up tonight is Thursday night football. So honey, they have been in here footballing. And I get it because I'm a football fan. They also have I guess a table to, I don't know, this is Jack, I don't know, whatever the Texas Hold'em, poker, I don't know. But anyways, they have a TV, they play poker in here. It's actually really nice in here. I like the Skybox. So if you want to watch your sports, come on in here to the Skybox and get your sports on. Coming up is the casino ahead, the Horizon Casino. Before we go into the casino, I'm going to show you guys the O2, which is if you have any kids that are ages 15 to 17, they come to the Club O2. Straight ahead. Again, this is for ages 15 to 17, and it's really cool in here. I think it's cool for the teenagers. Cozumel and try your luck. We've had some good experiences here the last few days. So they have the tables here and the slots all over. It's actually a smaller one compared to some of the other ones that I've seen, but hey, it's the job done, right? Coming out of the casino, we're going into the Atrium. This is the main atrium here on Carnival Horizon. The bar is bustling. Over here in this area, this is where they normally have some musicians playing some good old music. Hey guys, so I am on the deck here on the Carnival Horizon in the aft. So I'm at where the tides pool is, but a deck above it. So I'm not sure. Oh, this is deck 11. So I'm on deck 11. Bam. I'm in one of these little day bed things here. Just hanging on, hanging out. I'm gonna get off the ship soon, but you know, I went and got me a kiss on the lips because baby, I love the kiss on the lips with the extra shot in it, right? And I'm at the tides pool in the back, and it was just like bees everywhere. Like, why are there bees here? It was crazy. It was like a swarm of bees, like it was a beehive somewhere, like literally crazy. Anyways, it was like basically nobody at the bar. It was two gentlemen at the bar, then it was me. Okay, and I'm like, hello. Literally, it was two people working the bar. And then another gentleman walked up, and after 5 minutes, they went ahead and like took his order. I said, no, excuse me. Like, am I invisible? I literally was here. And then they were like, oh, I'm sorry. It's just like, all right, what is going on? I was visible to both of them. The one lady was helping the other two, but then the other guy, like, what are you doing? I don't like that. I don't like to be ignored. That has happened to me on Virgin, and it's happened to me on Carnival a couple times. It could have happened on Royal too. I don't know. I'm not for sure, but I don't like that. I I just feel like it's bad customer service for that part. But I don't like that. As a bartender, you need to multitask. I don't want to make a big deal of it, but it just pissed me off just a little bit. But I still got my drink, so I'm happy. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna get off the ship here in a minute and then see what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't have an excursion planned, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I got my bathing suit on, and I'm really ready to roll. So I didn't really eat breakfast today because I feel like I'm eating a lot on this cruise, which is what you're supposed to do. But I'm gonna skip back breakfast. This is literally my breakfast. And then I'll get off the ship and see what I'm gonna get into later. So hope you guys like the little mini tour that I did. I couldn't get everything in, but I gave you a little bit. I'll show you a little bit more later, hopefully. I'm trying to do better. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to your girl. I'm out here. My name is Toy. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Make sure you binge watch all my last videos, all my other videos. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go and yeah, see what else I can get into. Yeah, so I'll see you all later. Guys, so we're in Cozumel, and it is Cozumeling. We do have 5 ships here in port, so it is crowded. I mean, at least 20 to 25,000 people here. So the port is crowded. It took us forever to get through duty free. It was like they had the dogs out, baby. They had the dogs out. So I'm not for sure what we're gonna get into. If there's even any excursions available, because it is about 12, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but I'm out here, baby, and it's crowded. It's crowded. I'm here at Paradise Beach. This is my first time here at Paradise Beach. So it's actually pretty nice. The food is a lot of food, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of food. And then they do have the little jungle gym obstacle course out there. Trampoline park. I'll show it a little better later. But yeah, it's actually nice. You get all the drinks, all the food, and it's a lot of different food, and it's not too crowded. Not too crowded. We got good seats. It was, I think, $67 per person. So yeah, that was pretty good. I'll show you guys a little more of the Paradise Beach Resort in a second, but so far this is pretty good. This is cool. And I've been to Mr. Sancho's, and I've been to the Azul all-inclusive beach. So this is my fourth because I've also been to the Passion Island or something like that. But Isla Passion, I've been there as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's hot out here. I mean, it's Mexico, so I'm not complaining. Margarita, thank you. They give you drinks like round the clock, and they bring me drinks I didn't even order. So this is a margarita. But I'll show you guys a little bit more of the beach in a second. guys, so it has been a wonderful time here at Paradise Beach. I love it. It was actually a good time. Like I said, I've tried Azul Beach, and I've tried Isla Passion, and I've done Mr. Sancho's. So this is just another whew, the sun, baby, is sunning. The sun is sunning. Okay. It's just another beach, another, all-inclusive resort that I have tried, and I would say I would give it about, I'll give it a good 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's Paradise Beach, so it's pretty good. It wasn't too crowded, and it was five ships in port, and it wasn't too crowded. So yeah, the waiters were on it. They were giving me drinks like every 5 seconds. Like, I felt like they were on it. They were giving me the food. You could order whatever you want. So they were on it. The service was good. The little pool back there that they had was nice. And they have all the little, like I said, the little trampolines and everything in the water. So if you want to come here, like I said, I think it was $67 per person, but it was definitely worth it. You can get all your drinks, all your food.
So here is the famous Havana Bar on Deck 5 aft on Carnival Horizon. And this one is pretty spacious, and they do have very good drinks, so definitely come and get you a drink. And it's definitely lively out here. You know, they play all the Latin music. It gets popping out here for real. So definitely check out the Havana Bar. Now, if you're staying in a Havana room, you do have access to the pool out here, and they also have 2 jacuzzis, and you should get a wristband that will only allow people who have Havana rooms to access this back location for the pools and jacuzzis. Now this space is Ocean's Plaza, and they host the different events here like trivia, and they also have different music artists performing there. They also have a bar right in that left corner. That is a gem. It's never crowded. Now over here you can view your pictures if you want and sit down and just go through your pictures. And to the left there is Pig and Anchor. So definitely go in, get some drinks, try the food. It's basically barbecue. So yeah, definitely try Pig and Anchor. It is a favorite. Next to Pig and Anchor is the photo gallery, so you can go ahead and view all of your pictures. You can purchase them if you want. They also have different things you can purchase as far as lanyards and different things needed for cameras. They have frames, everything you need regarding pictures and cameras they have here. Now you can come on a Carnival cruise and not go to the Alchemy Bar, which is a fan favorite. I visited the Alchemy Bar and I got my usual 40 is the new 20. So this drink is my favorite drink and I always get it, and it never ever disappoints. So next time you're on a Carnival cruise ship, definitely stop by the Alchemy Bar. Last but not least, I went to the Limelight Lounge to check out the club. And this was during a Latin hour, and then after the Latin hour they did more of a hip hop vibe, and it was a cool vibe. I had a good time. I just hung out and chilled out. But guys, this is the end of the vlog. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.